This 2024 Forest River Campsite Reserve 26CJ is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Benson, North Carolina, 27504 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV South Raleigh. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 9, Slideout, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.